I hope nisibonile naso.
That is that friend arrested.
Hayi i-friend ayika-arrestwa udali ufanele sifocus ukuthi ekutheni uRita Hille ubani ozogijima ama-court if uRita la ngoba phela ukuboshwa kuhambelana nama-court angithi so
Abosithembile.
bathi uzobopha nini
Bophisani loyo muntu. Ubani ozogijima i-court ngisesibhedlela Sithembile.
usithembile uzoza usithembile
Uzoshuthi uyozogijima i-court uSithembile.
and mina sengikhathele yo angilazi bafethu ngiphenduka ugogo wamambele phela umntwana kaRita una-7 months guys imagine naye umntwana shem wayemunya iphoyizini cabangani bafethu wamunya umntwana encelibele mncomncomncomncom usho ukuthi uThomi lo bekezobulala abantu abawu-2 ngesikhathi esiwa uRita nomntwana yo mina bengizomnquma ukubheke lonke izwe bengizomnquma ngifake live Facebook Instagram TikTok imagine but hayi-ke kodwa sibonga impilo nomntwana waba right uRita uba ngcono ngoba la sasheshe sajabula waphuma sayenza ama-interview sithi siphusha uGalile hayi wagula uRita kwathiwa hayi sekukubi masiye esibhedlela bathi akasayindawo mfakeni emadrophini yabo salalala kanjalo sekuyinyanga yonke bafethu yonke into imile hayi umngani stereo simnika amaflower
lowazi ama-lyrics ukwandoba bathi noma unganginikeza ithenda baby ukuthi sihlale ngigade inhliziyo yami. Thank you so much awubaba
yakho uRita ola wena naleli wena
yazi-ke uzofuna ukuza endlini
and endlini ningezi ngizoniqosha ngoba
anizange sibhekeza
like nje le ndawo le iyasibonisa ukuthi ama-true friends
who's who.
ngoba uke wabona izinto mazihamba kamnandi zishelela ucabanga ukuthi nama-friends amaningi kanti no they are not friends abantu abaningi obazi so le ndawo le iyafundisa uRita emvulamelo
Ngiyabonga fanele MK, thank you. But we can't wait to stream Islonda. Sizokwazisa yijima sesiphumile. Ungezi naleli
naleli noma ngahleka kunama-pitbull yazi
yo.
mawuqala uthi naledi ngithi naledi station ayibuyele emuva awucobise lapha ivaseline
Sicobisa iVaseline Lucille. Advertise Vaseline Lucille.
sithanda ukubonga abantu abebelokufona abanye bakude abomamngcobo Lena Khama amahashe limhlophe abo Ganyani sending messages abo DJ Fresh abo Ntombi Ngcobo
Jay-Z Happy Simelane Doromongi
yes baningi nje abantu abasi-encourageayo abasiduduzayo yo abo Sisiboni Mlotshwa uhlala nami everyday angifonela everyday unjani umntwana baningi abokhanyo maphumulo sisha sibe bafisha lesuthula
bathi ngimuhle noma ngingalonanga.
hawu yazi
Ngiyabonga ayishaye kodwa kuyabonakala ukuthi ngiyagula kubhaliwe la ukuthi Rita is effortless beautiful.
ngamziyo wena
Zinhle zokunaka manje my friend isaselive.
Winnie Khumalo's daughter Rita Hille finally goes alive while she's at the hospital, you guys. As you have seen already, people are so excited, especially because she looks healthy, she looks good, and she's still beautiful. So people were really happy to see her in that state because, you know, they were really, really worried after she was allegedly poisoned by a friend. We still have not gotten the story, you guys, because I was hoping, because the live was like 9 minutes, so I was hoping maybe they can give us something, because they don't seem like those people who would hide information. You know, they are very open. So I was hoping maybe they would tell us like what happened. Were they drinking together? Did they see the friend poisoning whatever she ate or consumed rather? So it's shaky a bit, but I guess they will tell us what really occurred. How did she get poisoned? Because there are some people who are now doubting this whole thing, especially because they said that they did not open a case, you guys. So now it's kind of like